Welcome to Violin Adventures number 285. Well, I'm up in the showroom. The showroom didn't get damaged, but our shop is gone. So I start off the videos with just the flood coming in, and then the shock of it was all on Saturday, so you'll get some pictures, and then I'll show you progress as the week goes by. The water has come up about 8 feet, so the shop is flooded. At least we're dry up here. Okay, this is Monday morning. This is the shop. But the water has gone down now, so we're going to start cleanup. So my first step here is to pick up all the little stuff and see what I can manage and make it safe to walk around. Okay, we've made a little bit of progress picking up all the little items, but we still don't have a path through here, and it looks like all my bridges are probably ruined. Also pegs, things like that, lots of supplies. Okay, it's time for a little update. We've got a pathway cleared through here. Was able to save some of the powders and things I use for polishing. There's the wood room. So I'm hoping we can save the wood, but we'll see. That is sitting there shining brightly. Over here, these are the bottles I was able to pick off the ground. Surprisingly, there's no broken glass yet. But you can see all the drawers are over there. Lost a lot of bridges. Over here, I want to go rescue that harp. Amazingly, the clamp rack is still standing, but anyway, that's an update. Trying to get all the little things up so that when people come through, they can upright all the furniture that's down. Okay, we're making headway. That is still shining up there. Amazing that we have electricity. I don't know how. Okay. Now, we've got a lot of bottles up here on the tables. And we can go so far over here. That's the door, and it was open. Well, anyway, that's the door. I can get in that door, but this room here where the candles were, I had a lot of cellos in there. We'll need to rescue those. And then you can see back there is the case room. I don't know if we can save any cases, but we'll see. Okay, it's very humid out here. So anyway, this is the entrance to the shop. The water went right over that flood barrier and carried everything over this way. So we're going to go in and see if we can get a path going. Okay, let's go in. I already went in here and picked up some of the stuff. That's better. So this is from the other end of the shop. And that's what we're looking at. I'm going to climb over this and see if we can get into this first room here. I need to pick up all this garbage. Okay. All right. This was the candle room, and I was storing a bunch of cellos in here. But you can see how the water lifted everything and then let it all back down again. So we'll probably form assembly line to get these cellos out, rescue them. This way here, I might be able to get over. Shall we try? You can see the water line here. This is about as tall as I am, so the water line was about 5 feet. There's a snake in the harp. Well, we've had a lot of people here that have come, people from church and friends and family, and they've been clearing away. And we're going to have to cut out all the walls, but look at such huge progress. This is after a couple days. We still have a lot to get out, but this is an update. Lots of water still in here. And you can see most of this is getting cleaned out. This is the machine room, which we haven't done anything yet. I'm going to try and see if a machine will turn on, but we now have electricity. This is where I stored a lot of cases. Anyway, that's our update for today. Well, here's our little update. This is Friday evening. So many wonderful people have come by to help. This is the wood room. We're just starting to empty it. And you can hear the drying machines, the dehumidifying machines here. We've got some pictures that Ian was trying to save. So much has been cleaned out, and the floor has been mopped and getting cleaned up. We've got electricity on here, so this is the candle room, getting that emptied out. This is really sad. My books are all ruined. I can't get them out yet. They're so tight. Still have water on the floor here. This is the machine room. We haven't got to this one yet. And this one. Oh, no electricity in here. So that's our update. Things are moving along, and it's only Wednesday night. But it does look so different, doesn't it? I'm really grateful for all the help. I certainly couldn't do this by myself. Up here, we've gotten all the drawers open on these cabinets and gotten what tools we could out. So I am relieved with that. But all this now can be hauled off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your prayers. And we'll see you next time.